Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Profitec espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was not heating up constantly. And that was because this relay that you see right here was not doing its job. It would work for a bit and it would heat up the steam boiler, and then it would just completely stop and it would not let the steam boiler and the brew boiler to heat up. So we had to replace this one, and while we replace it, we also had to replace the gauge. This one was completely off. We tried to reset it, but unfortunately it was not accurate as this one that we replaced. We also did a tune-up, deep cleaning the E61 group head, back flushing it, replacing the gasket over here, descaling this machine from the steamer one as well as the hot water one, and we also descaled the brew boiler as well. So yeah, we did a bit of work. And now starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. Then we're going to be using the steam and the hot water. Nice steady stream coming out of the portal filter. Pressure constantly at 9 bars, and stop it right about here. Great shot of espresso. Good crema, good color, looking great. Steam for this machine, as you can see, it's a nice steady steam coming out of the steamer one. Excellent pressure, working excellent. And hot water over here, working the way it's supposed to, working great. So there you have it, Profitec working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.